So we finna get into the tea about this hair. So, you know, I've been at work today. I wore this hat to work because on my last vlog, I did say that I hadn't glued my lace back down. So, I just been rocking these hats. But these hats itch my forehead, so I usually have to put a piece of paper towel, like, in between the hat and where it would usually lay on my forehead. Ooh, see, it's itching. So, babe, when I put off this hat, baby, it's gonna be major. Woo. So, ooh, it's itching. So, oh, this is how my hair is looking, y'all. Like I can't miss. So I'm gonna come a little closer. Let you guys see my lace. It's still intact. It's still nice, but all of this buildup that's on my lace, we're going to clean this stuff in my little forehead. Well, my little hair right there. So this is just buildup from the glue. Usually use Got to Be Glued, but honestly wouldn't recommend Got to Be Glued. Reason being, it does not last that long. It doesn't like make it stick that long. I just haven't went and bought anything else or tried anything else, but I definitely will with my next hairstyle. So the hair itself is definitely still holding up awesome, but it is time for it to be washed. You can always tell when it's time to wash your weaves. So it's definitely time for it to be washed. When it's washed, it has a lot more body than it has right now, which is still bouncy or whatever, but it's kind of weighed now just a tad. So in this video, we're going to wash this hair and clean the lace. I'm probably not going to record myself washing the hair because it's just too much work, you know, putting y'all in the shower with me. So, I'm going to wash my hair. Now, I'll let y'all know what I washed it with and everything, but we ain't doing it. But I will clean the lace on video so I can show you guys how to properly clean your lace. I'm going to go eat my pizza, and we're going to come back, and we're going to clean the lace. Okay, guys, so we back. So, we are actually about to go ahead and start cleaning this lace. So, to clean my lace, I'm going to use this 50% rubbing alcohol. You really can use whatever alcohol you like, but this is what I already had, so this is what I'm going to use. So, I just take just a old rag and put alcohol on it. So I got about this much alcohol on the rag. I'm gonna come closer. And I am just going to begin cleaning this lace. You know, you want to be gentle, you know, kind of do circular motions, work a spot at a time. All right, guys, so the lace is pretty much clean. Well, the residue is gone. Whatever is left now, I'm just going to wash it away. So I pretty much got the residue. It's not sticky anymore. And now I'm just going to wash it. And then we'll be back to get it together. Okay, guys, so I'm going to wash my hair and I'll be back. Well, I'm back. I washed my hair. So usually the first thing I do after I wash my hair, I go ahead and dry like the roots, because you don't want it to be wet and molded up under here. So I'm gonna take my Hot Beauty blow dryer and I'm just gonna blow dry my hair. Okay, so after I feel like my hair is dry enough at the roots, I put my comb on the end of this and go ahead and start blow drying my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and take some Garnier Frutis Sleek and Shine Serum. Not going to use a whole bunch because, of course, you know, we want to keep this body in this hair. We don't want to weigh it down, but we do want to give it a shine. And we also want to help reduce frizz. So we're just going to run it through. All right, guys, so we are about to lay down this lace. Y'all just excuse my edges right now. We're not going to be paying attention to those because they're nappy. And then, go ahead and say that. So, I don't need y'all to kind of be pointing that out. Not that I would care. They're just thin edges. All right, I'm going to be using the Got To Be Glued styling glue. And like I said, I wouldn't recommend this because it really does not stick that well. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting it on my forehead. I need to lay that down too. So I'm going to push my edges back with this stuff. Just a little bit goes not a long way. Just kidding. So I'm putting it on my edges a little bit. I usually do not even put any over here, but because we making this video, I'm gonna put some over here. Cause baby, the edges is, ooh, they be looking a little bald without nothing on them. Not that they aren't, but it looks better when they lay down. So, swoop. Let's do the other side.
Back to the forehead. So we're just gonna dab it. I really probably did bring it down too far, but it's okay because we can take our alcohol and clean up that part.
All right, so let's place it down. Oh, I'm no professional, not a hairstylist. I just do what works for me and gets the job done. So don't go saying Jasmine doing it wrong, or you know, because I'm just doing it to the best of my ability, and I feel like I do a pretty good job. I mean it's work with a I'm gonna go ahead and pull out these baby hairs while we doing this step. Okay, so I'm going to use a teeny bit of the Got to Be Glued and a little teeny bit of Even Edge Control to lay my edges down. I'm going to go on top of the baby hairs with the edge control first. Weird on the camera. Hell, they look weird right here, but I usually don't do them like this, but I was trying to do something. All right, y'all, we finna get ready to curl, baby. Finna get ready to curl, baby. Huh? Ooh. You know what? I think this junker might be pretty straight. It might. Ain't no might about it. It would be real pretty straight. It feels so soft, y'all, and silky. Anyway. Alright, so I'm gonna back y'all up just a little bit. So only thing that's gonna get ready to happen is I'm going to end up re-loving my hair, and I get my hair done Monday, and I ain't gonna want to get it done because I'm like, I'm back in the game. Shoot. Happens every time. I have my curlers on 360. These are the Garnier Infinite Pro curlers. I got these from Walmart. They were like, ouch, probably like no more than $20 for sure. So now what I'm doing right now is just straightening out the top part with the barrel. Get up by that part, baby. Get all of this up under here. Up under here. Y'all see how it just lay back? Cause they just what it do. We're gonna start in the front and work our way back. I just like starting in the front for some reason. So we got our top section right here. Revamping, so and when I curl this hair, as I've said before, I curl it in big sections because I'm not really trying to go for like a bunch of candy curls or like, you know, that kind of look. I just want it to look like a loose, effortless, like that pretty loose curl, you know what I'm saying? To where it's curled, but I still have my length to go along with it. But if my phone dies before I get done talking, ouch! Oh my God. It didn't even burn, y'all. It just the thought that the curlers hit my hand. That was just so dramatic. That's what I be talking about. Just dramatic for no reason. But anyway, so basically I'm just curling my hair and wrapping around like I usually do, which I have other videos guys. It's the Vlogmas Hollywood curls. Like, I do this whole process. And I'll also leave that video in my description box if you want to catch up on it and see how I really go into detail with curling my hair. But basically, I'm just gonna curl my hair and go to bed, and in the morning we're gonna come back and see how revamped my hair is. All right, guys, so I am done. I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning, guys. So we are about to see how my hair turned out, the revamp. As you know, I washed it last night and you know, cleaned the lace and retacked everything. So now we about to see what's tea. Y'all already know the routine. We be combing it backwards, comb it to the back, you know. Ooh, it's so soft.